Hey there, Playa del Carmen explorers! Are you tired of just eating delicious Mexican food and ready to actually make it? Then you've got to check this out. We're talking a super fun, totally hands-on Yucatan cooking class right here in Playa del Carmen. Imagine this. You're hanging out with new friends, chatting with our super awesome local chef, and learning to whip up authentic dishes like sopa de lima. That's a tangy citrus soup with all the yummy fixings. Then, you'll get the hang of pak chuk, juicy grilled pork marinated in bitter orange. And we can't forget about our handmade corn tortillas and the ridiculously delicious salsa tatemada, a smoky roasted tomato salsa. You'll learn how to make them from scratch and then taste them. And get this, it's not just cooking, it's a feast. After you've created these culinary masterpieces, you get to sit back, relax, and enjoy them with everyone you just cooked with. How cool is that? So, if you're looking for an unforgettable experience that goes beyond the beach, check the link below and book your Yucatan cooking class today.